Hello friends, I'm Andy from Andy's Workbench, and I'm working since 37 years as a professional electrician, and something which was bothering me quite a lot during this time was my tool bag. Oh, well, I had several tool bags during this time, but this was my one of my last ones, and you see why it's pretty much annoying, because nothing is organized inside. I mean, if you look inside, I guess you know what I mean. With everything, need to take everything out in order to find something, and you can't close it anyway if you put the screwdrivers here. If you want to put it in an organized way, you cannot close it. So it's pretty annoying. But let me show you the solution I came up with. That's the new one. See, everything nice and organized. Just grab what you need and you easily can put it on its place. Just all the important stuff. Torch, knife, everything you can grab immediately. And you can easily put it back into its place. Well, let me show a few details how I organized the whole thing. Well, I guess the easiest way to show you is to unpack it. Well, I have my clamps, but underneath still got some more, the 6 square. This is the little box. Put my insulation tape. Underneath here, there's more. That's the hammer. Knife. It's my torch. Just a tool which I really like. Screwdriver, electric. Screwdrivers. I just use these pipes inside because if you just put just wood on different levels in order to put the screwdriver in, it doesn't work as good. So with the pipes it's great. Just take them out and put them back in. So use smaller pipes for the small screwdrivers and a little bit bigger ones for the bigger ones. It works absolutely great. Torch, Allen keys, just bigger screwdrivers. It's just the thing. It's just this piece I made just to put here at the side. Just go in. And that's the pliers. Just the box for the pliers. That's how it looks like. Very simple, very quick. You can store all the pliers. I'll just put it back together. It's for the pliers. Just put here. Screwdrivers. First this one. Well, like this, you get all the important tools together. Just grab them, put them back in place. That's easy, yeah? And for me, it was important just to get the bits. So I don't wanna look around for the bits either. So I just made this here. Just a little piece of wood, which goes in here. Well, friends, I have to say I'm very, very happy with this. I found it so annoying just looking for the tools, and then, well, it was easy to throw them in the box. But like this, it's that easy as well to put the tools back in place. And all it cost me was just some scrap wood I just glued together. And like this, the box is organized. I found it very, very handy, and I think you can adjust your toolbox in a similar way, just according to your needs. Well, have a nice day, friends. Bye.